How to turn off neighbor notifications on a Ring doorbell. You may not understand what neighbor notifications are, but they come from the neighbor feature on the Ring app, and this feature shares local safety alerts and community posts. But you can easily customize or disable these notifications. All right, so in order to turn off the notifications, you have to open up the Ring app and navigate to the neighbor settings. So it is open the Ring app, the menu icon, that's the three horizontal lines at the top left. Click on that and then select neighbors. Once you have selected neighbors, head into settings and then choose notification settings and push notifications, just simply turn them off. That's how you can do it. So the notification settings here, you could just click on it and turn it off for your neighbor notifications. Now, another way of doing this would be to simply adjust your neighborhood radius. You could simply do this when you head into neighbors, and then settings. So once you're in neighbors, just head into settings, select the neighborhood area, and then adjust the radius slider to a smaller range. That way you get to reduce your notifications. And the other option would be to totally disable the notifications from your phone settings. So on the iPhone, just head into settings, notification, ring, and just toggle it off. It's the same with Android. All right.